So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video we are going to discuss about openings in company Exotel where freshers as well as experienced candidates and final year graduates can also apply. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to apply, eligibility and the interview related questions. But first I'll tell you something about this company Exotel. It has really prestigious clients like Flipkart, Uber, Ola, Swiggy and Practo. And as I told you before also, when you work in a company that has these kind of clients, you will get in touch with the employees of these companies like Flipkart, Uber, Ola. So after working for 1 year or something in this company, you can directly switch to companies like Flipkart, Uber and Ola also, because you will interact with their employees, so you can have friendship with them and ask about the openings in these companies, and you can submit your resume via them. So if your resume will go to a company via some reference who is already working in a company, then your chances of getting selected increase tremendously. So even if you are not looking to work for long term in Exotel, still you should watch this video so that you can work for these companies also if you get selected in Exotel. Otherwise, this is a great company to work with. It is awarded as top 5 B2B companies to work for. It is Asia's largest cloud communication platform company. It gives good salary and has a good working environment with flexible timings. So let's start with the first opening, but before that please do like this video as I really need your support to grow my channel, and I make a lot of effort for you guys, so please do that. Regarding the eligibility criteria for first job role, which is for customer happiness associate, so any graduate here can apply and you need to have good communication skills. That's it. Now the job description: you will be providing solutions to different problems of clients by taking the help of different internal tools, coordinating with technical support team, which this is one team with whom you will be working the most, and other teams also like customer success and finance teams. Now the interview round for these will be: first there will be a telephonic interview where they will just ask you general questions about yourself and your college project. Round 2 HR interview. Round 3 sometimes it happens manager interview. Salary for this job role is between 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, which is a good salary considering this type of job role which is open for freshers. Now the interview questions: tell me about yourself, talk about your college project. This will definitely be asked. Next they can ask you what is an APIs, so give example. So this is not a technical role, but here it will be a technical support kind of role, so you should be knowing at least the definition of API, because this is what they want. So it is nothing but an application programming interface that provides a connection between computer or between computer programs. It is a type of software interface offering a service to other pieces of software. A document or standard that describes how to build such a connection or interface is called an API specification. Now, an example of API is when you use an application on your mobile phone. So, application means an app. This app connects to the internet and sends data to a server. The server then retrieves that data, interprets it, performs the necessary actions, and sends it back to your phone. So, this is what an API does. Next, they can ask you about your strengths and weaknesses and why should we hire you. So for why should we hire you, you should watch my video that I've already made and given link in description. Next opening is for inside sales intern. Here graduates as well as undergraduates can also apply. So undergraduate means if you are pursuing graduation and are in your final year. And another thing is that you need to have good communications. Here your job description will be to call on leads to identify prospects and navigate them with qualification process to identify decision makers. So here the good thing is you will not have to generate leads as in a pure sales kind of role. You will be given leads and you just have to call them and tell them about the product and services of these companies, and also email them literature, brochures and catalogs related to the company. So it is not a hardcore sales job, it is inside sales. Inside sales means the sales which you do in office, so you will not be given so many targets and you will not be under pressure. So it is just a telecalling kind of role where you will have to make outbound calls. So it is a simple job role. Interview questions here could be: tell me about yourself, what do you understand by inside sales, So inside sales is the practice of selling remotely from within an office-based environment rather than relying on in-person sales. Inside sales representative use phones, email, and online channels to do business. Okay. Next, they can ask you between difference between B2B and B2C sales. So B2B is business to business, B2C is business to consumer. So in B2B, company sells its product or services to other company. In B2C, company sells its product or service to individual customers. So in B2B, you will have limited number of clients because companies will be your clients. So you cannot have lakhs of companies as your clients. But in B2C, you can have lakhs and crores of people as your uh, buyers. Next, again, what are your strengths and weaknesses and why should we hire you? These kind of questions can be asked. And the other job opening that I would like to discuss is associate software engineer. Here you can be a graduate or a postgraduate with good communication skills and ability to do technical kind of work here, because here you will be working for end-to-end software engineering aspects. So it will include coding, testing, deployment, instrumentation, debugging, all kind of technical software engineer roles. Here round will one will be telephonic, round two will be online test in which they will give you two coding questions and one debugging question. Round three will be the HR interview. Salary range as mentioned online for this job role is between 8 to 10 LPA. So it is a good salary considering a fresher can also apply. So these were about these openings. Now I'll just show you how you can apply with them. So these are directly floated on this company's website, so you can read the full job description and apply either directly through this company or with Indeed. So Indeed is a job portal. If you have that account, you can do that. For all these three openings, you can do that, either apply directly or with Indeed. So these were the openings that I wanted to discuss. And while working in this company, you can interact with the clients, uh, employees like Flipkart, Ola, Uber, Swiggy, and get yourself switched into that company also. So I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.